guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, and today I'm going to be sharing with you another BarkBox unboxing. You guys have really seemed to like this a lot lately. My last couple of videos actually did relatively well. I feel like a lot more of you are interested in seeing Leo unbox his BarkBox. One of my subscribers did say I am a month behind. It could be because I'm thrown off with vacation, but this may actually be the August box, although I am opening it at the beginning of September. I'm really not sure. We'll take a look inside and see what we have. And please stay tuned until the end, because I just have a funny and interesting little doggy tip to share with you at the end of this video. So Leo has been waiting a while to open this box. We've been home from vacation for a bit over a week now, and I've been waiting to find the time to open this with him. So he's being so good. You're such a good boy. All right, so let's go ahead and open up this BarkBox and see. He's gonna open it for me and see what Leo received this time. What you get? Okay, so it says monkeying around. Very cute tissue paper. The tissue paper is always so adorable. And secrets of the rainforest. So this is going to be a rainforest theme. All right, let's show first what you have. This is so cute. It's a pineapple, and it's like really squishy and crinkly, and he loves that. Metamorphing butterfly. Oh, it's not a pineapple. It's a cocoon. Kind of looks like a pineapple to me, but this is a cocoon. Leo's going over to his toy bed and he's like, I'm gonna get my own toy if you're not gonna share these. Okay, Leo, so you can have that one. That is cute. Oh, I love this. It's a monkey. It's a monkey, Leo. He's taking it from me. Let me show them the monkey. Okay, so Leo really, here it is. Leo really likes this monkey. Okay, Leo, you can have the monkey. And then, oh, this is so cool. It's a dog treat, but it looks just like a frog. Show that to you guys. Really, really cute. Lots of fun stuff going on. And then Bark of the Wild trout and vegetable blend. Little doggy treats. And then there is another bag of doggy treats by Bark of the Wild, and this is a boar, pork, and chicken blend. You want to try that one, Leo? Yeah? Okay. So Leo's being so good. Let me let him try out one of these treats. Okay, Leo. Set. Paw. Good boy. Good boy. Well, they actually smell really good. Okay, so I'll just show you guys in a more calm manner. I'll try. It's the Secrets of the Rainforest. And then we have the butterfly little cocoon here, which is very crinkly, and it does not squeak. And we have this little monkey guy, and it's good for tug of war, as you saw. And he has a crinkly tail, which a lot of puppies like as well. And then we have our Dozer's little frog treat here, and it really looks just like a frog. It's pretty cool. Here's a better look at the frog. Leo, sit. He wants this frog so bad, he's gonna have to work for it. Sit, lay, speak. Good boy. Now you can have your frog. Okay. Then our doggy treats. This is the boar, pork, and chicken blend. And then we have the trout and vegetable blend. And Leo always really does like all of the dog treats that they give us, so. And then of course the very adorable tissue paper, which is always like one of my favorite parts. I love the tissue paper that they use. It's just so cute. Secrets of the Rainforest. What do you think, Leo? All good stuff? Are you a happy puppy today? Yes, you are. You're a good boy. And that is everything that is in my BarkBox for September. I really hope that you guys enjoy watching everything that's in our monthly BarkBoxes, and if I receive another one this month, I'll try to get it out to you more quickly because I do think I am a little bit behind with these. I really didn't even realize that everybody gets the same box every month. Is that a thing? I'm not sure. So I guess I may be a little bit behind, but I'll try to catch up, guys. And if I get another box soon, I will share it with you. I should be back on track for the holiday season for sure. Please stay tuned because I have an exciting announcement to share with you guys really soon. So yeah, that'll be coming soon on my channel, and it is doggy related. All right, have a great week, and please stay and watch my little doggy tip that I have because you may find it helpful. See you later. Bye. Bye. Good boy. Okay, so I have a very random video to share today, but I have to share it with you guys because this is hysterical. Leo has not had much of an appetite lately, and it's kind of hard figuring out a way to get him to eat. So I want to show you a trick that we learned. You guys are going to crack up. Madison figured this one out. It is so funny. So this is how we get Leo to eat. Check this out.
Okay. Leo.
Okay, so Leo's food has been sitting here since 8 o'clock this morning. It's 12:30. He hasn't eaten yet.
Leo, that's good food. It didn't work. Wait. That's good food, Leo.
And now he's eating his food. Is this crazy? This is so funny. I love it. So if you guys are having a hard time for whatever reason getting your dog to eat, all you need to do is pretend that you're eating dog food.
And then say that it's really good. Make a big deal about it.
Yeah, just like you would with like a baby. So I just thought that was too funny. And look at him go. Now he's eating all of his food. I love it.
So I would definitely recommend that. I don't know if it's just Leo or how I do it, but I feel like if you do it, then like your dog will just be eating it like crazy. So
it's so funny. We've been doing this for months now, and it's just like, hi Leo, it's just too hysterical.
He never figures it out.
So there you go. Tip of the day. Give it a try. If you try it, let me know in the comments below how you make out. It's just a very creative way to get your pet to eat. We'll see you next time.
Bye.